ഡയറക്റ്റ് ടാക്സിൻ്റെ ICMA ഇറക്കിയ കുറച്ച് MCQ ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻസ് ആണ്. ഒരു 230 ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻസ് ഉണ്ട്. അത് നമുക്ക് 2 വീഡിയോ ആയിട്ട് ചെയ്യാം. ഒരു 150 അങ്ങനെ വെച്ചിട്ട് 2 വീഡിയോസ് ആയിട്ട് നമുക്ക് ചെയ്യാം. So let's get started. First one, the number of identify included the definition of person is answer 7. Next question, deduction available under section 24A subsection 1 is dash of NEV. Answer 30%. Next question, expenditure incurred by a businessman for relative use software is entitled to benefit of. Answer 100% as revenue expenditure. Next one, the basic exemption limit for a resident super senior citizen above the age of 80 is. Answer rupees 5 lakh ആണ് answer. The provisions relating to interest on delay in payment of refund are given in section 244A. Which of the following can be corrected while processing the return of income under section 143 subsection 1? Answer any arithmetical error in the return. Next one, notice under section 156 is given for. Answer tax demand. Next ഒരു പ്രോബ്ലം ആണ്, നമുക്ക് അടുത്ത് നോക്കാം. The threshold exemption limit for equalization levy is. Answer 1 lakh. Rate of surcharge applicable to a foreign company having the total income of rupees 8 crore 2% ആണ് surcharge. Next one, income computation and disclosure standards are to be applied in computation of income under the head. Answer both profit and gains from business or profession and income from other sources. 13th question, new plant and machinery acquired and put to use by any assessee engaged in transmission of power is eligible for additional depreciation at a dash of actual cost. Answer 20%. Maximum amount of exemption available in respect of amount received under voluntary retirement scheme is. Answer 5 lakh. An individual can claim deduction from his gross total income in respect of expenditure for the medical treatment of a dependent being a person with a disability up to maximum limit of 1,25,000. Next question, dividend from a company which is engaged in agricultural activities is. Answer none of the above. ഇതിൽ short term capital gain not covered under section 11A is taxable at a normal rate applicable to the assessee. Next question, the basic exemption limit in case of non-resident firm is. None of these. Next question, TDS under section 194 in respect of dividend if payee furnish PAN is. Answer 30%. Tax payable by a resident individual if he has a long-term capital gain of rupees 2,60,000 but has no other income is. Answer none of above. Next question, a winning from lotteries is 50,000 and expenses incurred to earn such income is rupees 5,000. It is taxable income is 50,000. Next question, net salary after deducting tax at source rupees 10,000 is rupees 2,50,000. The amount of taxable salary is. Answer 2,60,000. Amount of deduction in respect of donation to approved scientific research institution under section 80 GGA is. Answer 100% of such donation. Agricultural land located in rural area is. Answer not a capital asset. 26th, TDS under section 193 in respect of interest of securities if payee does not furnish PAN is. Answer none of the above. Next question. Income of public charitable trust registered under section 12A is answer exempt. The number of income computation of disclosed standards issued so far are answer 10. Expenditure in respect of winning from card game is answer not deductible. Tax payable by a non-resident individual if he has a long-term capital gain of rupees 2,60,000. Answer 52,000 plus cess. Next one, stake money on owning and maintaining rice horse is rupees 70,000 and expenses incurred is rupees 20,000. It is taxable income is rupees 50,000. Next one, rent after deducting municipal taxes is rupees 2 lakh. The amount of taxable income from house property is answer 1,40,000. Contribution to approve the research, not scientific institution in case of businessman is answer 100% of such amount. Next one, rebate under section 87A is allowed to an individual who is resident in India and whose total income does not exceed answer none of the above. The payment under Bhopal gas leak disaster shall be dash exempt. Next question, compensatory field area allowance is exempt up to 2,600. Answer. Next one, the time limit for acquisition or construction of self-occupied house property for claiming answer 5 years. Next one, tax to be collected at the source in case of motor vehicle value exceeding dash 10 lakh ആണ്. Interest right on refund as per section 244A subsection 1A answer 9%. Quantum of deduction under section 80EE is dash answer 50,000. Island duty allowance is exempt up to 3,250. Next one, threshold limit for person having income from business under section 44AD is dash 2 crore. Tax to be collected at the source in case of commission on sale of lottery tickets answer 5%. Next one, when a person having agricultural land sells the seeds taken from such land in a nursery which is a part of said lands, the income from such sale is treated as agricultural income. Next question, an employer has paid the medical insurance premium of rupees 12,000 in respect of a salaried employee drawing annual salary of rupees 6 lakh. The amount of perquisites charged in the hands of employee is answer nil. The rate of depreciation for a block of assets consisting of building used as a factory is answer 10%. In case of a Hindu undivided family where the return of income cannot be signed by the Karta, the same can be signed by any adult member of the family. Next question, in case of a individual or HUF, to determine whether certain TDS provisions are attached, what has to be seen is whether the person is subject to tax audit under section 44AB answer the immediately preceding the financial year. Next question, a senior citizen having the total income consisting of the persons and let out property income aggregating to rupees 6 lakh must have paid advance tax during the financial year 2015-16 of nil. Answer. Next question, Mr. Lakshman occupied his apartment till December 2015 and thereafter occupied the quarters provided by the employer. The apartment of Mr. Lakshman was let out of at rupees 20,000 per month from 1st January 2016. The annual value of the property would be answer 60,000 rupees. 60,000. Next problem. അതൊരു പ്രോബ്ലമാണ്. Mr. A has loss from regular business of rupees 8 lakh and income of speculation business of rupees 11 lakh. His total income of chargeable to tax would be answer 3 lakh ആണ്. AUP should consist of ഇതിൽ none of the above. An Indian company where place of effective management is outside India shall be resident in India. Casual income received by the assessee. Answer fully taxable. Free meal worth 120 per meal for 200 days provided by the employer during working hours in a remote area is answer fully exempt. Unrealized rent of the property shall be excluded from answer gross annual value GAV. Next one, deduction under section 32 AD is allowed to corporate and non-corporate assessee in notified area. Next one, for the purpose of computation of capital gain, securities transaction tax is answer neither allowed as deduction nor from part of cost. Next one, loss from trading in derivatives through a recognized stock exchange can be carried forward for 8 years. Next one, deduction under section 80E in respect of interest on education loan is allowed for 8 years or till the interest is paid, whichever is earlier. Next question, dividend received by the shareholders of an Indian company engaged in growing and manufacturing of the tea shall be treated as non-agricultural income up to 100%. Income of REIF being a business trust by way of renting or leasing of an asset is exempt if such asset is any real estate asset owned by it. Next question, cash gift received by HUF from his members to the extent of rupees 75,000 will be treated as income of the members. The following is taxable under the head salary. Gift received by employee from employer. Maximum amount of which is not chargeable to tax in case of the non-residents very senior citizen is answer 2,50,000. Next one, a partnership firm will become the resident in India if it is control and management is totally or partly in India. Next question, transport allowance in case of the disabled employee is exempt up to 3,200 per month. Answer. Next question, a religion's trust received anonymous donations of rupees 10 lakh. The said sum is not taxable at MMR. Next question, income from farmhouse outside India is answer non-agricultural income. Next one, while calculating TDS, surcharge is also considered if the payee is answer foreign company. When the shares are held in unlisted company, it is treated as the long-term capital asset. When the holding period exceed answer 24 months. Next question, personal effect do not cover the following. Answer all of the above. TDS on interest on securities is covered under section answer section 193. Right of TDS on dividend under section 194 10%. Income of a minor child is exempt up to dash answer 1,500. The account of the political party shall be audited by a dash answer chartered accountant. Loss from specified business covered under section 35 AD can be adjusted against the income of answer income from other specified business. ICDS 2 stand for answer valuation of inventories. ICDS 4 stand for revenue recognition. TDS on income of FII from securities 10%. TDS on commission other than insurance commission 5%. As per ICDS 2 valuation of inventory, the recognized dash costing formula 3. Mr. Pankaj partner of PKG is accessible as individual. In case of local authority, the return of income is verified by principal officer. Next one, in case of self-occupied house property, following category of person are considered individual and HAF. Amortization of the preliminary expenses has been restricted to dash of the cost of project 5%. Unabsorbed business losses cannot be carried forward for more than 8 annual year. Next question. Coverage of best judgment assessment is under which section? 144. Monetary limit for exemption in case of encashment of earned leave on superannuation received by a private sector employee is answer 3 lakh. Deduction is not allowed to the assessee while computing income from other sources for all of the above. When Mr. Balu paid a royalty to Dr. Peter of the Sweden for use to know-how in India, such payment is accruing in India. Answer. Mr. Hari, resident in India, received rupees 11 lakh by way of dividend from Indian company. Such dividend is taxable at 10%. When an employee receives the money on closure of National Pension System trustees, answer 40% is exempt from tax. When employer contribute to approve the superannuation fund, it is chargeable to tax as perquisites when the contribution exceeds 1,50,000. Long-term capital gain arising from transfer of unlisted securities in hands of the non-resident foreign company is chargeable to tax at answer 20%. A startup can claim deduction under section 81 AC 4 consecutive years beginning from year in which eligible startup was incorporated. 3. Answer. When the return of income for the assessment year 2017-18 filed under section 139 subsection 4, the assessee can revise the return on or before 31 March 2019. When copyright is acquired for rupees 50 lakh on 10/11/2016 and used from 1/12/2016, the amount of depreciation under section 32 would be dash. Answer 6,25,000. Next question. Interest on post office SB joint account is exempt up to answer 7,000. When cash is deposited into saving bank account, quoting of PAN is mandatory when the amount of deposit is dash or more, rupees 50,000. Financial year 2017-18 shall be considered as assessment year for the previous year 2016-17 and previous year for the annual year 2018-19. For the purpose of levying tax on income other than agricultural income, Union list contained entry answer 82. Following is not a head of income. Income from interest on securities. The total income of person is 2,67,888.34. It shall be rounded off to 2,60,890. Income tax is a direct tax. A Hindu undivided family is said to be the resident in India if answer control and management of his affairs wholly or partly situated in India. An individual is said to be resident in India if he is in India in the previous year for a period of 182 days or more. Next question, an Indian citizen living India during the previous year for the employment purpose is said to be resident if he is in India in the previous year for a period of 182 days or more. An individual being foreign national come to India first time during the previous year 2017-18 on 1/1/2018 for 200 days. His residential status for the previous year 2017-18 is non-resident. Following income of the resident and ordinary residence is taxable in India, that is all of the above. Which of the following is an agricultural income? Share of profit of a partner from a firm engaged in an agricultural operation. Which of the following income received by an assessee are exempt under section 10 of the Income Tax Act? Agricultural income. In case of individual or HUF, agricultural income is exempted but included in the total income for the right purpose.